I want to show you how to use the electronic document delivery functionality in Business Portal 4.0 and Dynamics GP. It's a really nice little tool to send out sales documents to your customers. Let's take a look at it. The first thing we'll look at is the setup. Let's take a look at the standard setup. We go to Business Portal, go to the top site, and then go down to Site Settings. Within Site Settings, there's a special area for electronic document delivery. Let's take a look at that. We'll look at two areas, the company settings. If I click into that, I'll see a screen that shows me all the settings for this particular company. And there's a number of formats that I can use to send the document out. I can use HTML, XML, PDF, and Excel. Down here, these are the different types of documents that can be sent out with this functionality. Next, let's take a look at the customer setup. Here's a customer setting area. I can do this one by one, or there's a utility that can allow me to set customers up in a group. Here I've set up two customers. Let's take a look at this one here. Select that and modify. You can see that for this particular customer, I've set this customer up to receive this SOP invoice. I've also identified the emails to which the messages are going to be sent with the attachments. Now let's go through the process. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a sales invoice. I'm going to post that invoice. It's going to go into the document queue. We'll take a look at it there. And then we'll send that along, and then we'll open up Outlook and see what it looks like to the customer when they receive that. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in a sales invoice. And I'll create a simple one here. I'm going to select the customer that's been set up to receive documents electronically. Just use this item here. And I'm done. I'm going to post this invoice. Now let's go over to Business Portal and we'll look at the queue. So the queue is in the Financial Center. So let's go to the Financial Center here. Then towards the bottom on the left hand side, you see the document delivery queue. Let's take a look at that. There's three invoices there. Here's the one that we just did. And I can send them one by one, or I can set up a scheduled event to send these automatically. What I'm going to do is select this one here, and then I'm going to just send it. So now that document's been sent, it's on its way, it removed itself from the queue, and we're going to go look at Outlook now and see what it looks like for the customer when they receive it. I'm opening up that profile, and we can see that the mail message has been received. So let's take a look at it. Here's the email template. You can set these up and you can vary them by customer if you wish. And then here's the document that was specified for this particular customer in this format. So this is a PDF format. This particular document is rendered by Crystal Reports. The module comes with standard Crystal Report templates that you can use. You can modify them as you wish. But here's a good example of what that invoice looks like for your customer. The electronic document delivery function is really pretty easy to use. It's pretty easy to set up. And if you need to send out a large amount of invoices to your customers, you should really take a look at it.